Next question, fifth question. It is a June 2019 question, Usmania University question, and you are required to prepare a sales overhead. Required to prepare sales overhead budget from the forecast given below. That is, advertisement is a 5,000, and the salaries and of sales department 10,000, expenses of sales department 3,000, counter salesman salary allowance is 12,000. These are the amounts. Okay. Next, commission at 10% on their sales. Okay, commission also they will get the commission, and what is the percentage? That is 10%. And expenses of 5% on their sales. Okay, for expenses also they will collect it. That is a 5% on sales. And sales have been budgeted as under. Okay, like this. These are the sales. That is counter sales and traveling salesmen sales. Okay, counter sales means it is the counter means it is a shop. ఓకే, అంటే మనకు షాప్ ఉంటుంది కదా, షాప్లో కౌంటర్ అంటే ఆ కౌంటర్ మీద అంటే మనకి షాప్లో ఏదైతే సేల్స్ చేస్తున్నామో దాన్ని కౌంటర్ సేల్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, అండ్ ట్రావెలింగ్ సేల్స్ మెన్ సేల్స్. ఓకే, ట్రావెలింగ్ అంటే మనకి మార్కెటింగ్ పర్సన్స్ దే విల్ సోల్డ్ అట్ దట్ మార్కెట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ట్రావెలింగ్ సేల్స్మెన్ సేల్స్. ఓకే, they're different. They sold at different amounts. The counter salesmen sold 1,60,000 A, and B 2,40,000, and C 2,80,000. And traveling salesman sales, the for period of A it is 20,000, and period of B it is 30,000, and period of C it is 40,000. Okay, counter sales for period A 1,60,000, period B 2,40,000, and period C it is 2,80,000. These are the sales. With this information we should be prepared sales overhead budget. Sales overhead budget means sales expenses budget. Okay, that is okay. This is a sales overhead budget for the period of A, B, C. That is the period of A, period of B, and period of C. Okay, so in this, so whatever the expenses overhead budget, okay, in this overhead budget, overhead expenses we should be classified into that is two, that is fixed expenses and variable expenses. That is first one, fixed expenses. Okay, fixed expenses, and second one, variable expenses. Variable, fixed expenses, and variable expenses. As per fixed expenses, okay, first of all, fixed expenses, whatever is in the question, that is advertisement. Okay, advertisement 5,000, salaries of sales department 5,000, expense of sales department 3,000, counter salesman salary allowances 12,000. These all are, it is fixed expenses only. These all are fixed expenses only. That is first one, advertisement. For A period, B period, C period, every period it is 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Okay, next, salaries of sales department, that is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. And expenses of sales department, $3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Every period it is 3,000. And also counter salesman salary allowances. Counter salesman salary allowances, that is every period it is 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. Because of every period there is a counter sales as well as salesman, okay, traveling salesman sales. So that is total of this equal to 30,000. Here also it is 30,000 and 30,000. Every period the fixed expenses are incurred 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Okay. Next one, variable expenses. That is a variable expenses is commission at 10% on their sales, because variable expenses can be vary. Okay, vary whenever the sales are increase or decrease. Okay, if the sales increase, the commission, the 10% of the commission also is increased. If it is a sales decrease, the commission also is going to be decreased. That is the reason it is variable cost. We should be right under variable cost. But advertisement says salaries of sales department, expenses of sales department, and counter salesmen salaries, allowances, that is all are fixed expenses. Either it is sales or not, that should be, this is the amount should be payment to employees. This the expenses should be incurred. Okay, so in this first one, commission to counter salesman, that is the counter sales are like this. Okay, counter sales 1,60,000, 2,40,000 and 2,80,000, means 1,60,000 into 10%, which is equal to 1,600. 10% it is 1,600. 10% equal to it is 16,000, and for period B, 2,40,000 into 10%, which is equal to 24,000 is a commission, and for period C, that is 2,80,000 into 10%, which is equal to 28,000 is a commission to counter sales. Next one, commission to traveling salesman, that is traveling salesman says 20,000 into 10%, which is equal to 2,000, and for period B, 30,000 into 10%, which is equal to 3,000, and for period C, that is a traveling salesman sales is 40,000 into 10%, which is equal to 4,000 is a period C. Okay, C, traveling salesman commission. Okay, that is only the commission to traveling salesman. Next, expenses of traveling salesman, expenses of traveling salesman, that is 20,000 into 5%, 20,000 into 5%, which is equal to 1,000, and 30,000 into 5%. So here it's clearly mentioned 5% on their sales. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, I have taken on sales, that is these are the percentages, that is 1,500, and 40,000 into 5%, which is equal to 2,000. Okay, the total is now means you can add fixed expenses and the variable expenses also. That is 30,000 plus 16,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,000, which is equal to 49,000, and 30,000 plus 24,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,500, which is equal to 58,500. and 30,000 plus 28,000 plus 4,000 plus 2,000, which is equal to 64,000. Okay, this is only the total, okay, sales overhead budget. Okay, total expenses, that is total sales overhead budget.